Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. Today we are going to present our innovation with the title Classroom Laboratory Workshop Evaluation System NIMBENG. Effective teaching and learning require excellent equipment in laboratories, workshop and classroom at Polytechnic Tunku Syed Sirajuddin. The equipment, or we call as facilities, include device, computers, printers, chairs, desks, projectors and also network equipment. Okay, nowadays students prefer using these types of tools to enhance their learning. Therefore, maintaining the facilities is very crucial and very important. Polytechnic lecturers must evaluate all equipment at the end of each semester based on MS-ISO standard. Okay, this to ensure that proper condition and location of the equipments are correct. Let's say from the evaluation, then the damage or misplaced items have been reported, then the repair or retrieval can be done immediately. And also from the evaluation process, lecturers can suggest additional equipment that they need for classes. Then this suggestion will be considered by higher management. Okay, and from the traditional evaluation process that we have adopted, there are limitations like inaccurate records and no track record for submitted form. Therefore, there is a need for our newly developed system called Classroom Laboratory Workshop Evaluation System NIMBENG. Okay, next is the problem statement. In traditional laboratory and workshop evaluation process, which is also done at the end of each semester, it is very tedious and inefficient. Okay, it is inefficient because it requires paper, and the paper base are written with list of assets, and the paper is poorly stored and hard to retrieve. It can be stolen and also it can be misplaced, and it causes difficulties for supervisors, especially for new supervisors. And the second one is the manual evaluation involves a lot of paperwork and leads to inaccuracy. Okay, lecturers using their own list or outdated forms that make the report less reliable. Some lecturers do not submit their evaluations, making it challenging to collect all the forms from all the lecturers. And to improve this, a new evaluation system, which is called NIMBENG, was developed. Classroom Laboratory Workshop Evaluation System, which consists of the following objectives. Number one is to record assets and equipment details for each laboratory and workshop. Number two is to evaluate assets and equipment that have been recorded. And lastly, to keep track of the evaluation form. Okay, the methodology that we have adopted is called Rapid Application Development. Okay, in Rapid Application Development, or it is called RAD, consists of 6 phases. The first one is the issues or problems were identified by us and solutions and deliverables were discussed. And in phase 2, application and a prototype was developed. And in phase 3, demonstration was done to get users' feedback. And number 4, the improvement was made to the system prototype based on the feedback that was given in phase 3. Then the refining has to be done iteratively until fulfilling the user's requirements. In phase 5, system prototype was tested. And lastly, in phase 6, the completed system was launched and be accessible to the users, and formal training was conducted to all the users involved.
From the analysis, we have developed the questionnaire and distribute to the user. Users are classroom officer, lecturer and lab supervisor. The result based on 2 components. First one is usability feedback, which is the respondent agree that by using the system, the task of asset evaluation process become efficient and smoothly. For the second one is related to the ease to use the system. More than 90% respondents agree that system is easy to use, flexible and user-friendly. Conclusion for the finding, NIMBENG is acceptable by respondent.
Okay, NIMBENG has contributed a lot to the following users. Among them are laboratory workshop officer, laboratory and workshop supervisor, lecturer. It contributes in increasing the efficiency in performing the task, especially for evaluation process. And for the student, they might use good condition of equipment. And for Polytechnic, they can achieve KPI based on the standard that is outlined. Okay, our system has accept recognition from the head of Jabatan Teknologi Maklumat and Komunikasi, whereby we receive a letter of appreciation for the department using the system. Okay, that's all from our team. And if you have any question, you can contact us. And all the presenters are lecturer from Polytechnic Tunku Syed Sirajuddin. Now, please enjoy the project demo. Thank you.